Did you know? Just by adding one simple ingredient to your morning glass of water, you can help maintain muscle strength, reduce joint pain, and prevent up to 40% of muscle dehydration in people over 60. It sounds hard to believe, but it's fully backed by science. And the best part is, no supplements required. No need to go to the gym, just a glass of water. And one very simple natural ingredient that most older adults have never even heard of. In today's video, I'll help you uncover why do many people over 60 still feel muscle fatigue, have body aches, and have trouble sleeping, even though they drink water regularly. 3 common mistakes when drinking water that make your body more dehydrated. And most importantly, one ingredient you can start adding to your water right away to stay hydrated longer, recover faster, and feel noticeably better in just a few days. Watch until the end, because I'll also show you a special drink formula that helps you stay hydrated, sleep deeper, and keep your legs strong all day. But before we reveal that secret ingredient, we need to understand, why is drinking water alone enough for older adults? Let's begin with your own body. Part number 1. Why is your body dehydrated? After 60, even if you drink enough water, have you ever experienced this? You drink water regularly every day, sometimes even more than usual, but still feel muscle fatigue, a dull headache, or lightheadedness when standing up suddenly? It's not because you haven't had enough water. It's because your body can no longer retain water like it used to. After the age of 60, a series of physiological changes take place in the body. The aldosterone hormone, which helps retain sodium and water, begins to decline. Your thirst sensation decreases, so you don't realize when you're dehydrated. And most importantly, your cells no longer absorb electrolytes as effectively as before. You may think you're watering the plant, that is, your body. But your body is now like a dried out sponge. Even when water is poured in, it can't hold on to it. That's why you can become reverse dehydrated, even if you drink enough. In the next section, I'll share 3 common mistakes many people over 60 make. Mistakes that cause the water you drink to do nothing for your muscles and leave you feeling more tired. Part number 2 to 3. Common mistakes that make the water you drink useless for your muscles. Now that you understand why, after age 60, the body is more prone to reverse dehydration. Let's move on to the 3 most common mistakes that cause your glass of water to do nothing for your muscles. And in some cases, even have the opposite effect. Mistake number 1. Drinking plain water after sweating. You've just done some light morning exercise, gone for a walk, worked in the garden, or simply spent time outdoors in the sun, and you feel thirsty. So, you pour yourself a big, cold glass of water and drink it all in one go. Sounds like the right thing to do? In reality, it's a grave mistake, because when your body sweats, you don't just lose water. You also lose essential electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. If you only drink plain, purified water with no minerals, your body won't be able to hold on to that water. Instead, it will flush it out quickly through your urine. It's like watering a plant in a pot with no soil. The water just runs through without being absorbed. As a result, you may experience dizziness or lightheadedness, muscle cramps, or joint aches and stiffness a few hours later. The fix is simple. Add a pinch of unrefined sea salt, a few drops of fresh lemon juice, or a splash of pure coconut water to your drink after sweating. With some natural mineral support, your cells can retain water better and recover faster. Mistake number 2. Drinking too much water at once, especially in the morning. Many people habitually drink 500 to 1,000 milliliter of water immediately after waking up. It may sound like a good way to detox or jumpstart the body, but for those over 60, this can be risky. When you flood your body with too much water in a short time, the sodium concentration in your blood gets diluted. Your muscles and nerves can't transmit signals effectively. This may lead to dizziness, muscle fatigue, or even nighttime urination. A few hours later, older adults don't need much water all at once. They need water to be absorbed gradually and consistently throughout the day. The solution: instead of drinking 500 milliliter in one go, split it into 3 to 4 smaller portions, about 100 to 150 milliliter each. Sip slowly over 10 to 15 minutes. To improve hydration even more, combine it with the special ingredient I'll reveal later. A good glass of water doesn't need to be big. It just needs to be held by your cells, not flushed straight through your kidneys. Mistake number 3. Drinking water without eating anything after exercise or upon waking up. Did you know? After a workout or a long night's sleep, your body is like a dry battery. It doesn't just need water, it also needs a small amount of energy to retain that water. If you drink only plain water without anything else, like a piece of fruit, a malt candy, or a little honey, your cells won't have enough glucose to open the hydration gates. Think of it this way. The water arrives, but the cell doesn't open the door, so the water simply passes through. Here's what to do. After waking up, drink water, a slice of apple, or a small banana. After exercising, drink water with a pinch of minerals plus 1 malt candy, or half a teaspoon of honey. If you have diabetes, substitute with 1 teaspoon of soaked chia seeds. They help retain water and stabilize blood sugar. With just 1 to 2 grams of natural glucose, your body will hold water like a sponge, and you'll notice a real difference in just 1 to 2 days. See what's happening? All 3 mistakes: drinking plain water after sweating, drinking too much at once, and drinking without any food can cause seniors to become more dehydrated, experience greater muscle fatigue, and recover more slowly. And now, if you're wondering, so what exactly should I add to my water to stay hydrated, keep my muscles strong, and feel more alert? The answer is a natural electrolyte mix, incredibly easy to make, but powerful like a cellular hydration lock. Let's dive in and discover the natural electrolyte mix recipe that helps people over 60 fight dehydration, reduce muscle fatigue, and recover faster. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment number 2 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Now, let's move forward. Part number 3, the secret ingredient, natural electrolyte mix for seniors. And now, the part many people have been waiting for. The secret ingredient you can add to your water every day to help your body after 60 stay hydrated better, recover muscles faster, and significantly reduce soreness and fatigue. It is a natural electrolyte mix, a simple formula with powerful results when used consistently. Why is it so effective? When you add sea salt, potassium, and magnesium, your body doesn't just absorb water. It also gets the tools to hold that water inside your cells. Sea salt acts as the lock that keeps water in. Potassium balances fluid inside cells and calms muscle contractions. Magnesium supports the nervous system and reduces fatigue. The result? You no longer wake up with a dry throat or dizziness, your muscles cramp less, and your mental state feels more balanced and clear. Super simple recipe. 1 pinch of unrefined sea salt, juice from 1/4 fresh lemon, 1 teaspoon of honey, optional, 200 milliliter of warm water. Drink it in the morning, 15 to 20 minutes before eating. Don't have all the ingredients? Try these alternatives. Fresh coconut water, sea salt. Licorice root tea, only if you don't have high blood pressure. Sugar-free, low-sodium electrolyte powder. Important note, avoid Gatorade or standard energy drinks. They're high in sugar and caffeine and unsuitable for older adults. But having the formula alone isn't enough. To make it truly effective, you need to know when to drink, how much, and how to space it out. And that's precisely what we'll cover in the next section. The optimal hydration schedule. To help your body recover, reduce cramps, and sleep more deeply in just a few days. Part number 4, the optimal hydration schedule to keep your body hydrated and support muscle recovery. You've just learned how to make the electrolyte mix, a natural, easy-to-make formula that's incredibly effective in helping the body after age 60 stay hydrated, reduce fatigue, and support better sleep. But knowing the recipe alone isn't enough. For this mix to truly work, there's one crucial factor you shouldn't overlook: drinking it at the right time. After 60, the body no longer functions like it used to. You become less aware of thirst. Your cells have a harder time holding on to water. If you drink water too late or take in too much at once, the water will likely be flushed out before it can be absorbed into your muscles. That's why you need to set up a hydration schedule that works with your natural rhythm as you age. Early morning, right after waking up, sip slowly on a warm glass of electrolyte mix made with 1 pinch of unrefined sea salt, juice from 1/4 lemon, 1 small teaspoon of honey, 200 milliliter of warm water. It will help your body feel more alert, less stiff, and ready to move. 30 to 60 minutes before lunch. Drink fresh coconut or filtered water paired with a few fruit slices. The potassium in coconut water helps regulate blood pressure and supports digestion. Mid-afternoon, around 3 to 4 p.m., have filtered water with a pinch of mineral salt or a light herbal tea containing electrolytes. This is the time when many people feel muscle fatigue, backaches, or light cramps. Drinking at the right time helps relieve fatigue effectively. Before 7 p.m., Enjoy a cup of warm chamomile tea with a slice of lemon. This soothes the nervous system, helps you sleep better, and reduces nighttime urination, a common reason why many older adults wake up during the night. A real-life story. Linda, age 68, used to wake up 2 to 3 times each night due to urination and leg cramps. After just 1 week of following this hydration schedule, she was able to sleep through the night with less calf pain, no medication, no supplements needed. Sometimes, all it takes is drinking water at the right time, and your body will start to recover more clearly and quickly. But why is something so simple more effective than supplements? The answer lies deep within your muscle cells, and you'll understand exactly why in just a moment. Don't look away. The next section might truly surprise you. Part number 5. Why proper hydration helps muscles recover faster than supplements. You might be thinking, it's just water. How could it possibly help muscles recover faster than supplements? But the truth is, water isn't just water. It's the foundational ingredient your body needs to carry out nearly every function, especially muscle regeneration, which declines rapidly after age 60. Imagine this. After a walk or a few light stretches, if you simply rest without drinking anything, your muscles have nothing to rebuild with. If you drink only plain water, it may pass through your body without benefit, because your cells lack the tools to retain that water. But if you drink mineral-rich water, like the electrolyte mix I shared, your body retains water more effectively, allowing protein synthesis to proceed smoothly and helping your muscles recover faster and more fully. In short, no water, then no muscle recovery. Water without minerals, then water just flows right through. The muscles absorb water and minerals in the right way, then the muscles absorb nutrients and recover faster and more sustainably. A study from Japan, 2021, demonstrated this. They divided people over 60 into 3 groups after light exercise. Group 1, no fluids. Group 2, plain water. Group 3, light electrolyte water, with sea salt, potassium, and magnesium. After 7 days, the results were: Group 3, recovered muscle strength, 32% faster. Fatigue levels dropped significantly. Rates of cramps and insomnia were much lower. You can think of it like this. You're washing dishes after a greasy meal. Even if you blast the faucet at full power, the plates are still oily and dirty without dish soap. Same with your body. If you drink water without the right minerals to help retain it, it simply won't be effective. That's why water and minerals must go together. The benefits can even outperform many expensive muscle recovery supplements when you drink them at the right time and in the right form. We're almost at the end of our journey. You've explored the common hydration mistakes, the simple solutions, the secret formula, and the science behind how it works. Now it's time to reconnect with yourself with a heartfelt message just for you and a teaser for the following video where I'll reveal an amazing secret about your legs after age 60. Let's move into the final part together. As you can see, after age 60, drinking water is no longer just about drinking enough. It's about drinking the right way, at the right time, and with the right ingredients. Together, we've explored why your body can still become reverse dehydrated even when you drink regularly. 3 common mistakes that prevent water from helping your muscles recover, a super easy natural electrolyte mix, and a smart hydration schedule that improves sleep, speeds up recovery, and noticeably reduces cramps. Start applying it tomorrow morning, and you'll feel the difference within a few days. Now let me ask you, have you ever tried adding anything to your water to boost hydration? Which tip from today's video would you like to try first? Drop a comment below. I read and reply to every message. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about. Because sometimes, just one small change can lead to a more substantial, healthier body for the rest of your life. And don't miss the following video. Seniors, eat this one food before bed. Wake up with stronger legs in just 12 hours. A simple little secret, but one that's worth trying tonight.